We are actually doing the, what is it called? The Distinguished Gentleman ride, but in Lombok version. I will join them. I even get a new clothes here because I don't have a shirt. Before we going, I got this sent by Maetech. Because I needed this mount for my Insta360 on the handlebar in here. Thank you so much to Maetech for giving me this. Look, with the boxes, with the box, and it's all completed. This one is the bigger one, which you can use to mount this stick anywhere you want. And I just needed this one actually, the smaller one for the handlebar. Yeah, let's try it out, because I've been going around for a long time. It's actually arrived for like a few weeks ago, this one, thanks to Maetech, and I'm sorry I cannot get it done sooner. So yeah, let's try to install this one first. So they actually included this tape to protect the handlebar from scratching. So this protected tape is pretty good. It's already stick on, just like that. And this one I can change the position later on if I need to, you know. But if I put 360, I don't think I need to change anything. That's it. My Insta360 is still with one of my friends. If she didn't bring it, then I will use this one. It started to rain now. Damn it. Of course it's raining after I wash my bike. Well, just a little update. I don't know if you guys ever noticed my exhaust is black one, because they just powder coating it to black. Yeah, the real color is actually like this. It's a stainless steel, I think. But on this side, because it's so hot, it started to peeling up. Like from here, started to peeling up until here now. So I just finished sandpaper it. And try to just use the spray paint to see if it can last or not. So I'm just gonna spray paint just this side of just a little part of this side, and see if it lasts from the heat. Hopefully it lasts. Yeah, so we'll use this spray paint. It's for the high temperature spray paint. I think it's usually used for this side of the exhaust. I don't know, it can last on this side, because this side is, it's way too hot. So we'll see. Well, I forgot to actually record it, but it's done now. I just brush paint on this side. It looks like solid black, but this side is not really. It's a little bit faded on this side. I think it's because I didn't sandpaper on this side. So we'll see how it goes. Well, right now at least it looks good in the photo. If it's all black, well, it actually looks annoying on this side. And this little crack as well. We'll see if it's working. If it's working, I'll take off the exhaust and just spray paint it properly. So that's it. I gotta go home now. The rain is stopping. So yeah, I'll start vlogging again when I meet up with them at 3 o'clock. Well, this is the shirt I bought today, and I only have two options, this one or that fence, so I chose this one. I'm not buying another shoes for this ride, man. It's already almost 5 o'clock, because I think the gentleman ride I watch from YouTube is always in the morning, like 8 or 9 in the morning. But this is in Indonesia, Lombok, so I don't know why they start. It's like 4:30 at the moment, so I don't know what time they're gonna start riding. 5 o'clock maybe.
I don't know. Let's see. Jas gua. Ini aja baru beli tadi pagi. Apa bro? Kopi. Apa? Kopi. Oh ya. That's pretty cool. It's not that much bike, but it's not too bad, you know. It's not like 100 or I don't think it's more than 100. It's probably just 50 bikes around here. There's all the XSR there and get all the classic bike here. I don't know if it's classic bike. I think it's a custom bike. My bad. Oh, Triumph.
Cek, mari teman-teman yang belum regis, silakan regis di mbak-mbaknya, Pak regis di staff di pojok, silakan regis.
Wow. I think they need so much. The bike all look the same like this. Even that one too. Well, this Astrea is actually a legend bike as well. Look at the shifting. That's two. So this is the downshift. This is the upshift. It's like a very old school of the bike. Well, I used to have one, but not this one. So we're actually moving now. Okay, everybody's getting busy now. Alright, a quick shout out about Maetech product. The build quality feels really solid for me. Once it's mounted, it holds surprisingly well. I don't really have to think about whether my camera is gonna fall or not. It just feels what is that, secure. I also like that it's simple and easy to set up without overcomplicating things. This is not a script review or anything, just my honest experience using it on my rides. As we talk about this before they send this to me, if I don't feel safe for my camera, I will not use it. And they actually agree with it, which I think they are pretty confident for their products. If you are interested, I do have an affiliate link for discount, or you can check out their website and use code HWPOV for discount on any products. They've got a bunch of other motorcycle products and for cars as well. So thanks again Maetech for sending me this mount. I really need this mount actually. So thank you so much, and I am so sorry I can't make the video sooner. With that out of the way, enjoy the rest of the ride. well, let's talk about the distinguished gentleman ride in here. I probably wouldn't have joined if I had to come alone, but I got invited by XSR community in Lombok called XBI Lombok, and I think that's what made the whole experience really fun. Seeing so many different bikes, different styles, and everyone dressed up for the ride gave the event a really unique atmosphere. It also felt different riding together as a group through Lombok instead of riding solo like usual. I think events like this are less about the bike themselves and more about the people you meet and the experience you get from it. Definitely one of those things that's worth experiencing at least once. Would I join again? Probably depend on the company. So yeah, that's my thought about this distinguished gentleman ride in Lombok.
So we are finally stopping here. It's a cafe. I think the cafe called iForest or something. So this is all the bike. This is all the XSR here. And look at all the bike inside as well. That's it, I guess. Nothing much to see actually in here. Well, I guess that's it for today, guys.
Hi guys,
Mami,
mommy yeah. It's the mommy and nothing.
well, this guy is actually the guy who helped me to make my license. He's the guy helping me. And I guess we just chill out here with our coffee, and we'll see you guys on the next one.